today. Use your right hand. Other hand. I want you in the front. I want you in the front. You in the front. And you're going to go back here. My big girls in the front, please. Okay, tummies in. Let's do the warm up. It's called Hit It, Mr. DJ, the song, okay? Is everyone watching? Okay, do a good job. Next week we'll start St. Patrick's Day fun, okay? We'll dance with Mr. Leprechaun. And Miss Joy will put on her skirt. Okay. And we'll... What do we say? No fun until the work is